Some Solitaire cash apps let you withdraw after winning just a few low-stakes games. But the difference between earning and losing usually comes down to speed, not luck. By the end of this, you'll know 8 Solitaire apps people actually use for cash and which type of player each one fits best. First, understand this. The real paying apps are usually skill-based tournament apps. That means your speed, move efficiency, and streaks matter. Start with Solitaire Cash. This is the biggest one right now. You play classic Solitaire against players with the same deck setup. Fast completion and smart moves decide who wins. It's one of the easiest cash games to learn because the rules are familiar. Next is Solitaire Cube. This one has been around longer. It runs on the same tournament model and is known for quick matches. If you want short sessions, this is one of the better picks. Third is Solitaire Clash. Solitaire Clash adds a faster interface and more tournament options. It feels more competitive because rounds move quicker. Good if you already play Solitaire often. Fourth is Solitaire Smash. This app focuses on cash tournaments and leaderboard play. If you like climbing ranks instead of random matches, this setup feels better. Now for the slower, lower risk apps. Fifth is Misplay. It doesn't pay you to win Solitaire. It pays you to play games including Solitaire apps. That makes it easier if you don't want to risk entry fees. Sixth is Swagbucks. Swagbucks has Solitaire offers inside its reward system. You usually earn by hitting milestones, not by beating players. That's a different model, but it still pays. Seventh is Inbox Dollars. Same idea. Play selected games, complete tasks, and cash out. It's less about skill and more about grinding offers. Eighth is Rewarded Play. This one works like Misplay. Play games, collect points, redeem cash. Good for passive users who don't want pressure. Here's the best way to use these. If you're good at Solitaire, stick with skill-based apps like Solitaire Cash or Solitaire Clash. If you're casual, use reward apps like Misplay or Swagbucks because there's less risk. Quick recap. Solitaire Cash, Cube, Clash and Smash are best for competitive players. Misplay, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Rewarded Play are better for low-risk earnings. Your next step is simple. Test one skill app and one reward app today, then compare which pays better for your time. If this helped you cut through the fake apps, hit like and subscribe for more real money app breakdowns.